Hey Centric fam, I'm Samantha back with another week of Live Better tips. This week, let's focus on investing in something truly valuable, your financial knowledge. Attend a financial workshop. Explore local workshops or online webinars to enhance your financial literacy. Centric may offer exclusive events. Keep an eye on our announcements. Verify the legitimacy of financial workshops and events to prevent falling victim to scams. Read a finance book. Choose a book that aligns with your financial goals and interests. Share your recommendations with fellow Centric members on our social media pages. Centric Educational Resources. Explore Centric's Live Better podcast on our website to learn valuable information on various financial topics. Stay informed and empowered with the knowledge to make wise financial decisions. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.